What's up, diamond handlers and traders? This is Kacper and this is Tesla analysis, and let's get right into it. What is happening with Tesla? It is down 3.38% as of Wednesday, January 19th, and this is not great news, but it's also not bad news. I mean, what's going on really is that Tesla's just trading with the S&P 500. But why it's bad news is because the S&P 500 could see more than 5% correction like pretty soon, especially with the Fed meeting on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. This could greatly affect Tesla as it trades with the S&P 500. So what else do we got? We got some terrible news. Well, it's not really terrible news. We got news from the LA Times saying that a Tesla on autopilot killed 2 people in Gardena, and it's asking if the driver is guilty of manslaughter. This is from 2019. It says it was on autopilot. The guy turned off the freeway and ran through a red light. This is not consequential to us, but people trading might look at this and deem it as negative, and actually might push Tesla further down negative than the S&P 500. Currently in pre-hours trading, we are up at like 110, 113, which is good because we want to be over that 113 mark in order to trade higher. If we look at the analysis real quick, we opened at 141.71, closed at 995 and 65 cents. The previous close was 130 and 51 cents, which is not great. We are below the moving average of 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average. We hit a high of 154, but couldn't break through, and then hit a low of 995. 995 is a bit of a support, so hopefully we don't break lower than that. Volume was lower than the day before. MACD, RSI, and ROC and CCI are all lower than before. The only one higher is RSI, but none of these are looking great. Only one higher is ATR, which is just the volatility's increase a tiny bit. None of these are great for us. Resistance and support. Pivot points, if we look at the pivot points, you can see that they all traded lower. They all moved lower, and especially the bottom one, the S3, the support 3, which is at 950 from, it's at 908 from 950. None of this is great for us. But so what's going to go on? Tesla's probably gonna might bounce up a little bit today, might bounce down tomorrow. It's really just going to oscillate until earnings, as it's going to look for direction. It's currently unsure what it wants to do, as is the S&P 500. But yet again, if the S&P 500 moves down, it will move down with it. Earnings or not, it is investors don't seem to care that earnings are coming up or that it's great. It might be blowout for us. So what is my opinion? Well, what am I gonna do? Don't take my opinion. I'm not a financial analysis. Do your own research. Contact a financial analysis if you need to. I'm probably gonna sit the sidelines out until earnings, see what direction the stock wants to take after earnings, and I will be listening to earnings and the Fed meetings. And if direction's good and the Fed meeting's not bad, I will probably take a option position. If not, I'll just buy shares, more shares. You know, you can't go wrong holding shares. You can't go wrong holding options, as time will kill you. It won't kill you, it'll kill your options, which will make you lose a lot of money, which is not great. It's not what we want. But so what I recommend is that you guys just follow the charts and pay attention carefully. Look what the upcoming days are gonna predict for us. Hopefully we want to stay above 113. Really, we want to stay above 150, as that will indicate a blowout for earnings. But other than that, hope you guys have a great day. I'll be here tomorrow. Keep in mind what I just mentioned. Thank you.